So if you're looking for ways to set up your MailWizz on your VPS system but you don't know how to do it, so in this particular video I'm going to show you how to set up your MailWizz on your VPS hosting. So this video is going to be in two parts. So the first part I've already done that. You can just check our YouTube channel so on how to install VirtualMe on your VPS hosting. So after that, install your VirtualMe on your VPS hosting, the next thing for you is to install your MailWizz. So before you watch this video to the end, what you need for you to have to install your MailWizz successfully, you need the MailWizz script, the MailWizz license, and the VPS hosting, and the and domain, and this video tutorial. So if you want to get your MailWizz script, you can just click the link under this video tutorial. So if you have already gotten your MailWizz script, the license, then you can just watch this video, but remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So let me show you how to set up your MailWizz on your VPS hosting. Thank you. Click on the subscribe button.
Yeah, so welcome back. So to install your MailWizz, so after you install your VPN, your VPN, your VPS, so you just follow this video tutorial to the end, so you can install your MailWizz on your VPS server. Just choose the domain you install your MailWizz on. Then click on File Manager. So I've already uploaded MailWizz on my server, so you can just upload the MailWizz. So if you don't have your MailWizz script, you can just click the link under this video to get your MailWizz script. So after I've upload, you to upload, just click on File and click on Upload to the current directory, and choose the MailWizz script. So after I've uploaded, then extract it. Yes, override. Then to the script, MailWizz, open it. Then move up this all of this file, yes, to the root directory. Edit and copy. Then edit, then paste it. And click on merge and replace. And it's done. Then enter your, open a new tab, enter your domain. So if you enter by this, to receive error. Then just click on slash install slash install. Then going to find this option, just enter your purchase code and your tagline. So for you to get everything, just click the link to get this baby script. So I'm going to quickly enter the purchase code and the tagline. So after I've entered our purchase code, so the next page is going to take you to the click on next. Next, everything is green. So if you watch our video to install your virtual mail, so you don't have to have issue with any of this. Everything is going to be green. Next. So next to enter our username or database credential. So let's go back. Let's go back to our edit database. So our database name, database name. You get our username, just change to your main domain. Database, so you are going to get a username here, username, which is this username. Your username is going to be different, and your password, just copy your password and paste it. Then click on start importing. Then it's done. Then the next thing to enter our first information. Your password. Then make sure you also create first customer, so you can create customer accounts for you, then create account. So yes, you have to set up your Chrome job as well. So yes, I'm going to show you how to set up your cron job on your VPS, your MailWizz cron job. So this is all we need for this cron job. So if your cron job is not set up properly, when you're sending emails, it's not going to deliver. Maybe you are sharing emails, it's not going to work properly. So let's set up the cron job. So this is the first command you are running. And go back to your VPS hosting, click on web beam. Then to search for cron, click on schedule cron jobs. So just leave it like that. Then click on create. So now let's create another cron job. Root, set it as root, then paste the command. Then let's schedule cron job. Let's go for the next one. Root every 2 minutes. So to make sure there's no single error. So every 2 minutes. So check it, select. So if you are using a window system, just click on control. So for you to be able to select multiple. Sorry, did a mistake. You see right now, so I click on save, create. Just click create a new window. It 10 minutes, then select. Let me create a new control right now. Maybe 20 minutes. Select 20. Let's see, then create. Create a new control for the next one. Command. Every 3 minutes. Create a new control again. Run as root. Then enter our command. And let's check it every hour. Select and select 0, then click on create. Then the last control we are creating, create the next one, create a new control. Again as root. Paste it. Select 0. Select 0. And click on create. So we are going to complete our cron job. So the best option I will tell you to do is to copy out this cron job and paste it on a notepad. So in case if you do a mistake, or it's not working, so you can quickly go back to it and do it again. So just click on one job, click on one job and install. You can see our installation is done. So the next thing for us to delete. Congratulations, you successfully installed your MailWizz. Just remove and install the install pack file. So let's go back to our file. So the install folder, just check it, then delete it. And so the next thing, we can go back to our backend. Let's see our backend. So enter the email you enter when you doing the configuration. So done successfully. Can you see these two cron job after an hour is going to work? So if you set up your cron job and you are receiving error like this, just make sure to watch it again and set it up again. So just watch the video again and make sure you set it up properly. So this one, after it run maybe in an hour daily, or this rest time are going to delete. So this is how to install your MailWizz on your virtual VPS server. So the next thing you have to do before you can start sending email is to connect to your SMTP server. So in our next video, we're going to show you to connect your SMTP server to MailWizz. So make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and comment. Thank you.